Hi guys, I am Amit. I am working as a data analyst and I have 5 years of work ex. In this video, I'll discuss what is Power BI, why company uses Power BI and the difference between Excel and Power BI. So what is Power BI? Power BI is a business intelligence tool by Microsoft used to analyze data and create interactive dashboards and reports. So basically Power BI is mainly made of three parts. Power BI desktop, where we build reports, Power BI service, where we share the report, where we publish the report, and Power BI mobile, where decision maker view reports on mobile phone. And the most important thing, Power BI is available only for Windows user. Power BI is not for uh, Mac or iOS, right? So what we can achieve with Power BI? So we can connect Power BI to various platforms such as SQL, Excel, CSV, and different type of sources. We can clean and transform messy data using Power Query. We can analyze data visually using different type of charts. We can build interactive dashboards. We can share reports to other person as well. Now, why company uses Power BI? So because in a simple term, I'll say company does not care about like how many rows and how many columns are there. Okay, they only care about decision and the Power BI best here. So it helps them to turn raw data into clear visual insights that support better and faster decision making. Power BI helps them to track sales, revenue, profit and costs. Okay, it monitor KPI in real time. It identify trends, patterns and problems. Power BI saves times and reduces manual work. Like Power BI have functions like automatic data refresh, which we will see later part of this course when we will learn about Power BI service and all. And we can share one dashboards with too many persons as well. And definitely Power BI is very lower cost compared to tools like Tableau and Tableau. Okay, that's why Power BI is heavily used in company. Now, difference, what is the like Power BI versus Microsoft Excel? So first, Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet tool, whereas Power BI is a business intelligence tool. That is the reason we say Power BI. BI stands for business intelligence. Okay. So Power BI is good when we have like large data sets, like many number of rows, millions rows. Okay. Data comes from like multiple resources, multiple source. We can import data from various source like SQL server, different type of clouds and all. Okay, when dashboards need to be like automatic refresh, and when reports need to be shared across the team. So the major key strength of Power BI is it has like interactive dashboards, it handles large amount of data and it is very easy to share. Whereas in Excel is great, no doubt about it. Excel is great when data is very small. Like when we will have mm, when we will have like let's say 10,000 rows of data, then Excel does not work does not work properly. It hangs. Okay. So when work is individual as well, when data is small, when work is individual, in that case Excel is good. So the key and strength of Excel is like it has quick calculation. Everyone knows Excel and it's very flexible. So Excel is mainly used for analysis, but Power BI used for reporting and dashboards. So I hope you understand what is difference between Power BI and Microsoft. So in this video, what we have learned, we learn what is Power BI, why company uses it and how it is different from Excel. So in the next video, we will install Power BI desktop and understand its interface step by step from scratch. So make sure you practice along because Power BI is something you learn by doing, not by watching. So thank you. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe to the channel. We will meet soon. Till then, take care and bye.